when the dust all settles on this, and yes, most likely Labour can say we were on the winning side, so it looks like a vindication of Ivana Bacik's strategy, but I think there will be some soul searching then as to whether the party, does kind of hitch its wagon to all the other parts of the left, or if it can find its own voice in any way as the centre-left party in Irish politics.
Yeah, it's interesting you say that, because that's one of the things I wanted to ask you. After all is said and done with this presidential election and all the talk of a left alliance, do you think it can survive till the next general election if Labour themselves are already somewhat splintered in their support?
Well, they are for the first time working together, and this will give them a big boost to the left, and it'll give them an incentive to be more cohesive in how they approach things. But you've got to remember that a presidential election is so much different. This is rallying around a personality. When it comes to policies, when it comes to taxation, economic policies, housing,
Environment, big one, yeah.
and issues around immigration, all that sort of stuff, there will be differing views, and they will also have to distinguish themselves from each other in order to keep their seats, basically. You will have people from Sinn Féin, Labour, Social Democrats, and people for profit competing for seats in individual constituencies. Now, what they are likely to do is have a sort of vote left, transfer left sort of pact going to the next general election, and it will benefit them. But if you have the Labour Party and the Social Democrats, for example, competing against each other, which, let's face it, is what happened with their support for Catherine Connolly, and people in Labour will say that, Labour was just watching its back. It didn't want to be outdone by the Soc Dems. I think it'd be harder for them to work together for the next 4 years.
Yeah,
and the biggest beneficiary of all of this will be Sinn Féin, because voting left, transferring left, and more cohesion in the left would benefit Sinn Féin massively. And Mary Lee McDonald would be able to show how Sinn Féin can form a government after the next election. But does it benefit those smaller parties? Not so much.